Okay guys, this is Jay Harris with Infinitybox, and in this video I want to talk about our inLINK option for our 20 circuit kit. We've talked about the 20 circuit kit in previous videos, and that is that universal wiring system that you're going to use to wire a street rod, or a pro touring build, or a restomod, or a race car. Your switches and your outputs are all managed by that 20 circuit kit, but you can do a lot more than just wiring a switch to that system. One of our most popular upgrades is what's called inLINK. inLINK is a complete wireless transmitter that interfaces with the master cell to get you more control of what's going on in your car. When you buy inLINK, you get 2 of these simple 4-button key fobs and a radio receiver that gets installed inside the master cell. The nice thing about that is there is no separate box. It becomes integral to the 20 circuit kit. If you buy inLINK with your 20 circuit kit, we pre-install the radio receiver with your master cell. But you can easily add inLINK at any point in time. Installing the radio receiver is a 5-minute job and anybody can do it. And there are no software updates needed to put inLINK in an existing system. So the 2 transmitters wirelessly communicate to the receiver inside the master cell. And the range is anywhere from 50 to 100 feet, depending on where the master cell is located in your car. So this gets you the capability to do a lot more than just turning things on and off from switches inside your car. So let's say, for example, I want to push a button on my key fob and have my headlights turn on so I can find my car in a dark parking lot. Or I want to push a button and have my trunk pop. Or I want to push a button to have my doors lock and unlock. All those things can be controlled from the inLINK key fob communicating with the master cell. But the most important thing that inLINK gets you is our security and immobilizing. When you press the lock button on the inLINK key fob, that signal gets sent to the master cell. The master cell sees the lock button being pressed. It will flash your parking lights once to confirm the lock, and then we completely disable any output or input that is used to start the car. So that would include things like the ignition, the starter, and the fuel pump. So when you lock it from the key fob, the master cell has completely disabled the ability to start that car. And even if you were to be able to get in the car with the key or use the 1-button start and try and start it when security is enabled from the key fob, you get a message on the master cell screen that says, sorry, you can't start the car until the key fob unlocks it. So if you want to start the car again, you press the unlock button on the key fob. A wireless signal goes to the master cell. The master cell sees the unlock command. It will flash your parking lights twice for unlock, and then enable all the outputs that you need to start the car. It's a very powerful and a very strong immobilizing system that is built inside the 20 circuit kit with inLINK. So there are no separate boxes and there's no third-party alarm or security system that you need to integrate into your car. So again, inLINK is one of our most popular accessories that guys add, and it really expands the capability of your 20 circuit kit. If you would like to learn more, please give our guys a call. You can get us at 847-232-1991, or you can check out our website at www.infinitybox.com. If you like these videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified when we publish more. Thanks for watching.